Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. We're here with another update. I did probably one or two videos on this development before, so we're doing an update today. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Just join the Raymore Reviews family and be a part of the family as well. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, leave a comment. Doing all that really does help the YouTube algorithm to recommend the video to other persons. So remember to like, subscribe, and share, guys. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options. We have persons who have already donated because we're working on getting a drone for the channel so we can get some aerial footage. So thanks for all the support, whether in a monetary form or otherwise. Thank you, guys. So I know you saw in the title where we are. We're at the Southdale Plaza. They're doing an expansion / renovation of this plaza. So far, I'm loving it. I personally like the colors. It's also a modern design as well, which I like. So all the tenants moved out and they're almost finished. So we're just doing a quick update. It's overcast as well, so it's more of a driving update for you guys. When they have officially opened, I'll do a walk-in tour as well. I'll do a walkthrough. So quick update: Southdale Plaza renovation and expansion. So stay tuned, guys. Watch till the end, and thanks for clicking on this video. This is some shots from the other end. I think 876 Terrace was right there. That's a restaurant that relocated for the development. I'm not sure if they'll be coming back. Other popular stores over there was like, I think, Emmanuel Boutique. I think Mr. Tux was also over there as well. That's a closed store. So not sure which tenants will be coming back or if there'll be new tenants. So this is from the other end. Again, I like the design. I like the look. Futuristic look, futuristic design. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I like the fact that they put in some landscaping as well with the palm trees, flowers, and stuff like that. So that's really nice. It enhances the plaza. Colors are bright and vibrant too, so that's good. So Southdale Plaza expansion and renovation. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, guys, so those are some glimpses. Almost finished. What I'm gonna do now is, not everyone may know where the plaza is. You can enter from South Avenue or Central Avenue, but I'm just gonna do a quick drive around the block because you guys know what Rush does as well. He show you what's happening, where it's happening, and just keep you guys updated. So we are going on to Central Avenue. Alright, so this is Central Avenue, which leads onto Constant Spring Road. And then from Constant Spring Road, we'll go back on South Avenue. And then just show you guys where we at. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Watch till the end. We're in South Avenue now. I just took this side road. We have 7th Avenue Plaza in front of us. Alright, so we're on South Avenue, and then the plaza starts here, Southdale. The renovation starts right here at this blue wall, white building. So this is where it starts. And then this side is the older side of the Southdale Plaza. So possibly when they're finished on the left, they may come over this side to do a renovation and expansion. Probably add on a second floor. That would be really good. That would be really good. So if they, not sure what the plans are, but if they renovate this section and do a second floor just like the other section, then that would be really good. You know, right here would be a little nice plaza area. So again, the renovation is on the left. I showed you guys some better glimpses just now. So I just drove around the block to show you guys exactly where we are. Alright guys, so remember to leave your comment. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about the expansion / renovation. Let me know about the color, the design. If they should have even gone to a 3rd floor, and if they should even, you know, consider, you know, moving over to this side next when they're finished. So let me know in the comments, guys. That's where we chat. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and see you on another amazing video.